Hello! Looking at number 28 from the Chapter 9, Chapter 10 test, we are looking at the law of cosines. So the given information is a triangle, and we know that angle A is 35 degrees. Its opposite side, A, we do not know, and that'll be the first thing we're finding. And we are not given angle B. We'll be finding that in the second part. But its opposite side, little b, is 15. And angle C is still a mystery, but its opposite side is 27. So we're going to be using the law of cosines, which simply states a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc times cosine of angle A. And to solve for A, we just simply take the square root of all of that. And as you can see in green, I'm just simply replacing the given b value for 15, the c value for 27. The same b and c values here, 15 and 27, and an angle A of 35 degrees that was given. Now, all of this can be put into your handy-dandy little calculator. Hit the equal button. Make sure that you are indeed in degree mode, and you're going to get around 17.043, so on. So it wants us to round to the nearest whole number, so that it would be 17 for A. In looking to find angle B, we could use law of cosines if we wanted to, but I chose to use law of sines, which says that sine of A over A is equal to sine of B over side B. I will be using what I found in A for 17 on the bottom, the given 35, I don't know B, and the opposite side B is 15. So we're going to be solving for B. In doing so, we need to cross multiply, which you see in this first step. 15 times sine of 35 is equal to 17 sine of B. The next step is then to divide by 17. I do that on both sides, leaving me with sine of B is equal to 15 sine of 35 and divided by 17. Now, in order to solve for B, we need to use the inverse of sine, so sine to the negative first, of that same ratio, 15 times sine of 35 over 17. Now, some of you, in putting that into your calculator, it can look just like this, but some of you need to be a little bit more diligent with your parentheses. So I color-coded them here. So you'd have sine to the negative first. You'd have one set of parentheses for that value, another set of parentheses for the numerator, 15 sine of 35, and then divided by 17. You don't need to put the 17 in parentheses, but if you choose to do so, that is fine too. And in doing so, we'll get 30.404 about, and it wants us also to round to the nearest whole number, which is 30 degrees. Now, in finding the last angle, we don't need to do any of those things. We just know that each angle has to add to 180 degrees in all triangles. We know we were given 35. We just found 30, and we're finding angle C. So this is not LC, this is angle C. So we add those together, we get 65, subtract from 180, and we get 115, and we are done.